In this video, I'll show you the best way to keep Idle Stop and Go disabled in your Kia Stinger using the Autostop Eliminator. The device installs into the back of the Idle Stop and Go switch assembly located in the center console. For the installation, you'll only need a small pair of cutting pliers to trim the excess from a zip tie. We'll begin by lifting the upper trim plate on the center console. Next, locate the connector on the back of the Idle Stop and Go switch assembly. Fully depress the connector latch and disconnect the vehicle harness from the switch. Connect the Autostop Eliminator to the vehicle harness, then connect the Autostop Eliminator to the switch assembly. Use the included zip tie to secure the electronics housing as shown. Trim the excess from the zip tie. Snap the upper trim plate back into position. Now that the device is installed, the setting for Idle Stop and Go will be remembered and automatically restored. To demonstrate this functionality, we start the vehicle and ensure the Idle Stop and Go system is off using the off indicator on the switch. Next, we'll restart the vehicle and show the off preference for Idle Stop and Go is automatically restored. Now we'll turn Idle Stop and Go back on to show the on setting is also remembered. After restarting, we see the setting is allowed to remain on. We'll go ahead and turn Idle Stop and Go back off and restart one last time. It's that easy to keep Idle Stop and Go disabled on your Kia Stinger.